Happy Sankranti!
Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel Fun to Infinity! And don't forget my name. I'm Shara. And today I'm gonna talk few lines about Makara Sankranti. Did you know Makar Sankranti is also called Harvest Festival or the Festival of Kites? Did you know? Oh, India is a land of festivals. Makar Sankranti is a popular festival in India. It is celebrated every year on the 14th or 15th January depending upon the solar cycle. You know India is a land of diversity. So every region in India celebrates Sankranti differently and calls it with different names. Let's see what those names are. Lohri in Punjab, Suggi, Habba or Makara Sankranti in Karnataka, Thai Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Uttarayan in Gujarat. This festival is dedicated to the Hindu god Sun. The Kumbh Mela is also celebrated during this period. It is conducted at an interval of 12 years. Oh my God, that's so much. People enjoy the festives of the season by various activities like dancing, singing, and eating the special food prepared for Sankranti. Makar means Capricorn and Sankrant means transition. On the day of Makar Sankranti, Sun transits to Capricorn. This transition happens on 14th or 15th January every year. It is also known as Kite Flying Day, and I made a kite. I was making kite. People also do charity and donate food to needy people. It is believed that it brings prosperity. Children enjoy this day by flying kites and eating sweets. Yum! People wear new clothes and visit relatives for blessing and wishes. There is a saying in Kannada, Elu bello tinde olle matari, that translates to eat the mixture of sesame seeds and jaggery and speak good things. I hope you liked my speech about Makara Sankranti. You can use the speech in essay writing or storytelling competition in your school. Happy Sankranti to all and have a great day.